just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild, it's just.
Hey OhSo gang, welcome back to my channel. I have a review / show and tell in a styling session on Sensational's Butta Lace unit number 4, and I'm starting off by showing you the cap construction. It does come standard with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps, a defined parting space. It does have a little bit of a pre-plucked hairline, so I definitely appreciate that with this unit. This is a curly bob synthetic wig, and it does retail for just a little bit under $40. If you are interested in purchasing this wig or any synthetic wig or beauty supply needs, I will link SAMSBEAUTY.com in my description box. It will have a direct link to this wig as well if you are interested in purchasing this wig and seeing that it does come in an array of colors, so it should be able to suit just about anyone's needs. I wanted to note one thing about the lace before I shut up and let you guys just get the visual. You do need to go in and use a foundation powder, your liquid foundation, concealer, or even lace wig tint spray to help this wig look as natural as possible. Yes, it does need some manipulation because this lace is fairly light, or they would call it transparent, but I'm going to say it's kind of like an off-white color, and you need to help it mimic your skin tone as much as possible. And then on top of that, in my opinion, you need to adhere this wig down. So I use my Got To Be Glue spray and a blow dryer, and then to seal all that in, I use my satin scarf, wrap my hair up, and melted everything very nicely. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I styled this wig, which included, I added a few baby hairs and just styled it. You're going to see. So I'm going to be quiet for now, and then I'll be back with my commentary and my overall thoughts at the end. Stay tuned.
I'm just trying to check you out. I'm just trying to see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't trying wild, let's stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just trying to link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I miss that. I ain't trying to rush through the chit chat. I'm trying to get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm trying to be with you, 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 you. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
He can't love you like I love you, girl. You must be crazy, trying to replace me, baby. Cause girl, I trade it all for you. You know I risk it all for you. I'm only one call away.
You,
only you, girl.
You,
only one call from you.
You got feelings? Niggas got feelings too.
Okay, so I want to finish off this review really quickly This is my first time trying Sensational's Butta Lace wig line, and I don't know, sis. I'm feeling it. I'm pretty impressed. I am rocking Butta Unit 4 in a 1B, and you guys see me style it and go through all the motions and everything, and she's a winner. She's a left side part, nice little curly bob. This would have been so perfect for the summer. I don't know why I was sleeping on this unit. However, I got her now, and I am not disappointed. You guys know, whatever your style, you can rock a bob any time of the year. And this is one I would suggest to have in your wig collection if you love curly bobs. The texture, or should I say the fibers, do not look synthetic at all. They are, just come in. Do you see that, sis? Do you see that? So realistic, Lord. So realistic. Sensational has been giving me my life lately. I did not receive hardly any shedding when manipulating this wig, and you guys see me use a paddle brush. Normally I would probably go in with my fingers and fluff it out, but this texture is safe for you to use a paddle brush, so that's a pro in my opinion. I feel like this wig will get better with time, so seeing how good it looks right now on the first wear, I'm impressed. I would say this wig is about probably like 10 inches, and I'm 5'2". This is sophisticated, grown, and sexy, all those T's. Perfect for everyday wear, perfect for date night, perfect for special occasions, the holidays, work. The only con I would say is that you have to work a little bit with the lace color if you are of a deeper skin complexion, but you guys know that's nothing new nowadays with any type of frontal like synthetic unit. So just go ahead and use your normal wig routine to tint your lace and make it blend into your hairline, and you'll be good. The parting looks so good, and that's one of the features that it talks about. It says a wider parting right here on the stock card, and yes, you don't need to really go in and do any tweezing or plucking. All you have to do is add a little bit of concealer or your pressed powder, foundation, whatever your routine is, you'll be good. So yes, this wig is also approved if you can't tell already. It says that the lace is supposed to be ear to ear, but I feel like it was a slight struggle, and I have a small to medium sized head, so I would definitely say this cap construction is about a medium, but that really is like in regards to the hairline. The actual cap construction is big head friendly in my opinion. So just expect for the ear to ear part to either come down perfectly, or you might have to finesse it a little bit like I did, and I just put a little bit of sideburns. If that's not your thing, you can pull some of your hair out right there, or you can just make it do what it do and try to adhere it down to suit you. But with all that being said, this wig, I feel like she's a keeper. She's definitely a winner. So if you want to check out this unit, I will link Sam's Beauty's information down below in my description box, where I will have a direct link that will take you right to this wig, Miss Butta Unit 4. I don't like these names, by the way, Sensational. Like, get him some names. Unit 4. I feel like her name should be Summer. That's her name. Okay, you guys, go ahead and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already on your way out. Comment, like, share this video, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.